no-bake chocolate hazelnut thumbprint. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Roast 2 cups of hazelnuts. After roasting the hazelnuts, gently rub them and the skin should come off. Do this for about 1 cup of the hazelnuts. The other cup of hazelnuts, chop finely. In a bowl, combine 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of melted chocolate, a half a cup of Nutella, two and a quarter cup of Mari biscuit crumbs. Mix until well combined. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes until firm enough to roll, about 30 minutes. Shape mixture in 1 teaspoon size balls. Roll in chopped hazelnuts. Make an indentation in the center of each of the balls. Fill with a hazelnut. Drizzle melted white chocolate on top. Store in the fridge.